Please make sure that all parts are complete and pre-cleaning done. Remove the red drain plug from the bottom of the tank. Put the tank back. Pour water and keep the water level between max and min marks. Please be careful not to fall the water tank cover into the water. Only touching this area will be effective. After plugging in the machine, place the container and press the power button. Choose 14 ounces and press the brew button. The brewing breath indicator flashes slowly, and the machine will brew 14 ounces of water. After finishing pre-cleaning, add water between the min and max marks, but not less than your needed amount to brew.